In a world that's always rushing, breakfast often gets left behind. But here's a 3-minute fix that's healthy, filling, and honestly, kind of fancy too. Start with a solid base. I'm using honey bunches of oats with crispy almonds. It's crunchy, wholesome, and has a light sweetness that works great. Add a pop of nature, berries. I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They're loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and that fresh burst of flavor. Tip box. Prep berries for the week, store in fridge, and grab when needed. Just look at that. You didn't even cook, but you created a power breakfast that looks and tastes amazing. A touch of honey for that smooth, natural sweetness. Not too much, just enough to make it feel indulgent. This isn't just for bachelors or health freaks. This is for you, me, all of us trying to stay sane, stay strong, and stay on schedule. When life gets busy, you don't skip meals, you simplify them. Try this tomorrow morning or tonight as dinner. No rules here, just food that loves you back. Thanks for cooking with us. Watch this video.